What up guys, welcome to another level 3 video, and today we're talking color. Today we have a very special model, which is actually the first time I'm going to be creating with her. As you guys can see, she already has a canvas going on, but not a canvas enough to get creative. So we're going to be going through a bleaching process, and I'm going to take you guys step by step on how I'm going to create a base and create the perfect canvas in order to achieve any creative color. So keep watching and come with me on this step by step. So first thing we want to do is create the base, and the perfect length that I found to achieving any creative hair colors is a number 2 guard evenly all around the head. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. All right, check it out. So we created our bleach mix. Huge recommendation that I always give is when you're going to use bleach or lightener, make sure they both from the same brand. In this case, we're using the level 3 lit liner, which to me is the best in the market as we speak. And then on top of that, when you're going to do your mixes, if you guys pay attention right on the back of the instructions, it'll give you exactly the measurements that you should be using according to what are you doing, either foils, straight in the head, or however it is that you're applying the bleach, then it gives you the right instructions. In this case, I'm going to be applying the bleach directly in a low length hair directly to the head. So we went with a 1 and a 2. When I say 1 and 2, I mean 1 scoop of bleach powder and 2 scoops of the volume, okay? That is a great ratio, and that should give you a great result of lift on the hair. So now let's apply it. After 55 minutes of process, here we have the perfect base. Today we're going to be creating a unique style. Today we're going to work with pastels and primary red color, okay? So keep watching this video. Let me take you guys step by step how I'm going to do this creative color. Here we have the final result. As you guys can see, a very creative and girly look. As you guys can see, I combined a lot of pastel colors. In this case, we used our light orange, we used our pink, and we used our light violet to create the base. On top of that, we added the red, which is more of a strong color to make the pop out. You guys can see that creativity wise, it was pretty cool. And this is what level 3 allows us, is to be able to create things like this with a full pack of colors from the Kray kit. Okay, so if you guys want to acquire some of these colors, make sure you visit us at lv3.com and get your colors now, and I'll leave you on with this beautiful masterpiece. Let's go.